Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll see ngFor structural directive with HTML element like table. So before we were using div, HTML element div, but in this example we'll see how to use HTML element table. So we have the same collection of cars as two objects, three objects. Let us display this. It has name and price. Each object has name and price. Will display in the form of table. So for that we'll not be using div, we'll be using table HTML tag, and let us give some border to it. And we need rows in the table, so we give first we need the headers. So in the row we say header. So what do we have in the object? Each object, name and price. So we give name and we give price. So we'll have another tr tag. So this is the this is for the header row and this is for the other rows. So I need to have ngFor here. So I say let car of collection of cars and in each row I display these cells. So I need two cells, right? One for name and one for price for each object. So I say two cells, car dot name and car dot price. Okay, so now let me check the table. So we have our table with name and price. So we have three objects: Audi, BMW and Benz. Okay, so this is how you use the ngFor with HTML tag. So in this table we'll try to add a index column. So for that we'll add some serial number. So we'll say serial number and we'll add one more cell for that, and before that here we need to say let I is equal to index, so that I will have the index of it, and I say I plus 1. Let us see the table. So you can see the serial number 1 2 and 3. So this is how you use in ngFor structural directive with table tag. I hope you have understood. Thank you.